Here I'm adding seasoning to chicken breast, just a little bit of oil, salt, and ranch. I'll probably also add a little paprika to that to give it some color. And then I'm gonna cook that in my skillet. It's one of those cast iron skillets. I'm gonna dice some yellow potatoes here to add to this meal. They're just four ingredients: chicken, potatoes, bacon, and cheese. And so I've cooked these in my skillet. I thought this might be a good one pot meal, but it's not working out like that. So I'm transferring it to a different dish so that I can mix these things together and then add the chicken, bacon, and cheese. And so here I'm cooking the chicken. As you can see, I have run out of time, and so I'm adding all of this to my crock pot, which is a lifesaver. If you don't have a crock pot, you do not have a backup plan or an initial plan for that matter for those days when you just don't have the time. This is one of the easiest meals that I make. It is my go to when I can't think of what to cook, when I'm too tired to cook. I go to something simple like a sandwich. Sometimes I'll dress it up, add lettuce, tomato, make it interesting. But if not, I'll just do deli meat, cheese, mayo, mustard, bread, call it a day.